Summer is here, and the heat is getting unbearable. Whether you're working indoors, commuting, or training outside, sweating through the day is the absolute worst. But what if you could carry your own personal AC everywhere? Meet the TORRAS COOLIFY 2S Pro, the ultimate wear-around-your-neck air conditioner. Engineered with Tech Pro cooling array and an Aeroflow centrifugal system, this beast delivers an instant 22 Celsius temperature drop in just 3 seconds. Worried about battery life? Don't be! It features a massive 5,000 mAh battery that delivers all-day endurance, lasting up to 28 hours on fan mode. Best of all, it has smart app integration. With precision control at your fingertips, you can easily switch modes, adjust fan speeds, or set a timer directly from your phone. Stay icy cool all summer long. Don't wait for it to sell out. Click the official Amazon link in the description below and grab yours today.